Welcome to a Rental Guy Short. If you're doing stage panels alone, get one of these guys. What's going on, everyone? It's Lee here, the rental guy. We're talking stage. Look at this, I can record with one hand and put the stage panel away with the other hand. These are heavy guys. Not with that though. Get 4x4 panels. They're easier to move. They're a little more expensive. Okay, let's talk stage cheat. Yeah, I bought these legs and they're great, but you can also just buy metal tubing and cut legs and put them in, you know, especially if you're in a bind. When I bought this stage right here, it didn't have any connectors. So I bought vices and I put it together with vices and it works great. Now, stage is expensive, so, you know, in order for me to test out the market beforehand, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago, I started out with just stage panels or stage risers, and you know, we called that, well, we rented them as stage risers, and you know, in packages of a whole bunch together, and they rented out good actually. The stage, 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 the stage. Stage stairs. I own my own 2 sets of stairs, but apparently you can just buy RV stairs off of Amazon if you need stairs. This end is going to connect because it's got the little connector pieces, so we want to push it this way. So we'll just go like that, and we hold. A 3D design will get you bookings. Okay, so look at this. In 3D view, I mean, we can just view this thing. We've got the guardrails. So on 2D mode, we can just click onto the stage here, and we can, you know, click here, and that will take off the stairs. We'll see it in 3D. Stairs are gone, right? By the way, this thing's called TentMapper, but it has stage as well, so give it a free trial. Play with the stage. These stairs are gone, right? Go back to 2D. Let's do that. Take off these guardrails here. Then there's no guardrails there. So we'll go back to 3D mode, and you can see right there over top, no guardrails anymore.